welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be setting or have set a table for two. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today there is no guest, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to see you. All right, so this is my tablescape right here. I've already have it set. So let me go ahead and tell you more about it. So I have these tulips that came from Michael's along with these mini yellow roses. This vase right here was DIY. It's so beautiful. It's made with rose petals and pearls. And then we have the scarf that came from the Dollar Tree. Now we have the two candles on each end. They have a tint of lavender to them, and they both came from the Dollar Tree along with those cute little chubby birds. This beautiful vase came from the Goodwill. It actually came with a set of the dishes, but today we won't be using the dishes. These peonies came from the Dollar Tree long ago when they had the long stem. Aren't they beautiful, guys? I absolutely love them. All right, so we have on this end right here, I purchased that at the Goodwill, and that is absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite pieces. So we're using that. Now this here came from the Dollar Tree. This dish, isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. I just decided to put some mints in there. Thought that would be nice. Now let me go ahead and tell you about the tablescape. Let's go ahead and take this apart. So here we have a thrifted bread plate or dessert plate. I'm not really sure. Here we have this beautiful color, sage, that the Dollar Tree was carrying. I absolutely love that color, so I decided to go with that today. That is a salad plate, and this is the dinner plate. I'm loving it. Okay, then the charger, this came from Hobby Lobby. So I'm absolutely loving that. And then this placement also came from Hobby Lobby. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Okay, so this is how I decided to layer this tablescape. Look at that. Very pretty color. Now we're gonna move over to the utensils. These utensils came from Walmart and they were on clearance. And then we have this napkin. The napkin was thrifted, and the napkin rings, I believe those came from Party City. And here we have the wine glass. Okay, I love this wine glass. That came from the Dollar Tree, and the water glasses came from the Goodwill. So this candle holder also, along with the votive, that came from the Dollar Tree as well. So this is my tablescape, guys, and I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. Those colors are absolutely beautiful. And I'm loving this dish. I haven't seen it since. That is just beautiful. So I have this little corner decorated, guys, in all kind of colors. I am just loving all these beautiful pastel colors, and this tablescape I think came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Oh, and I didn't want to forget to tell you that we have a theme, and it's always at the end of the month, that last Tuesday of the month, and this one is going to be sunflowers. So don't forget to join me then. Have an amazing day once again, and God bless you.